All right, so anyway, people ask, what do these numbers mean, and what does this mean when you turn it? So let's go ahead and bring it down to the lowest level. So see, there's a 4 right there, backing it up. And if I move it, I can grab this and see it doesn't move. I go up to 4, just turned it to 4, hold it, a little bit stronger. 5, I can start to feel it. At 8, I can feel it pulling. 10, 12, I can't hold it at 12. It's going to rip my skin apart. So what it's doing is it's increasing the torque. It's making it stronger and stronger. If you put your hand on here now, I can't hold it. It'll rip my fingers apart. So that increases the torque if you're really trying to get that sucker in there. Less torque. So this is less power. So that's what those are used for on the Ryobi. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.